Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log out of your OpenSea account using the OpenSea mobile application. To log out of your OpenSea account, first of all, launch open the OpenSea app and make sure that you're inside the homepage of OpenSea. Once you're signed in, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the human icon. You will then be able to see the logout option under the More menu. Click on it and click on the logout button in the pop-up once again. Soon after you do that, you will be logged out with your OpenSea wallet. That is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.